Hello, my loves. I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you all are behaving for the sub. First of all, I want you to take out your exit ticket from Thursday because I want to go over that because a lot of you, probably about 75% of you, did not do this correctly. So I want us to take a look at this and I want to show you where you guys went wrong. And for the ones of you that did do this correctly, great job. I'm proud of you. You were paying attention, you were reading, you were doing all of those things. The rest of you should have been asking questions or paying better attention. Some of you are truly not getting it, and I get that. That's where the questions should have come in. But those of you that I'm always talking to about, hey, pay attention, read the directions, I think a lot of that was because you guys weren't doing that. All right, so let's go with number 1. Doug measures a length of 3 strings and shades tape diagrams to represent the length of each string as shown below. Express in decimal form the length of each string. Now, guys, you have to pay attention to what this is telling you. This is telling you this is 1 meter. If this entire thing is 1 meter, then each of these parts is only worth what? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1/10. So that means I'm going to start off in tenths. That means I don't have a whole, so my number is going to start with 0 point because I don't have any ones. Everything is less than 1. Not one of these is completely shaded in. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have 5 shaded parts, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 smaller parts. And remember, I told you these smaller parts are going to be in hundredths. So now I have 0.54. Guys, that's literally saying I have 54 cents. That's what I have. It's that simple. I think when we see this ones and we see this decimal, our brain just automatically thinks that it's way harder than what it is. But when we're comparing, literally we're comparing 54 cents. Because you don't have any dollars, you just have cents. So here, again, this is telling you that this is 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 10 parts to make 1. So I don't have ones. I'm going to put a 0. Remember, our decimal point always goes behind the ones place. Then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Same thing here again. It's telling me 1. It's not full. I don't have a full whole number. I'm going to start with a 0 in the ones place because I don't have a whole number here. Then I'm going to put a decimal. Decimal always goes behind the ones place. And then I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 completely shaded in blocks. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe. Okay. Now here where it says 0.5, ladies and gentlemen, put a 0 behind that. I know we're not in hundredths, but 0.5 in tenths and 0.50 in hundredths, it's the exact same thing. And then it makes everything look even. And a lot of times it's just easier to see that, oh, I have 54 cents here. I have 50 cents here. I have 47 cents here. Whenever we have a decimal, I want you to think about the numbers behind the decimal as in cents. 54 cents, 50 cents, 47 cents, okay? So those are the answers that you should have there. Now, a lot of you people put 5.4, 5.0, 4.7. This is not correct, guys. We do not have 5 full lengths here. We have half of a length plus a little bit more, okay? So these are not correct. So if you put that, you are not paying attention to that this whole thing is 1 and these are representative of 0.1 or 1/10. List the lengths of the string in order from greatest to least. Okay, so when you guys are doing this, is 54 bigger than 50? Yes. Is 54 bigger than 57? Yes. So the greatest is going to be 0.54. Okay, is 50 bigger than 47? Yes. Next would be 50. and then next would be 47. Okay, so 0.54, 0.5, 0.47. But when you're looking at it in your brain, say, oh, that's 54 cents, that's 50 cents, that's 47 cents, because that is going to be easier for you to associate what is going on. And that's what's going to happen and help down when we come down to these places, okay? If you have a decimal that is just 0 point and one number, that's literally saying 0.8 is the same as 80 cents. 80 cents. Okay? 0.6 is the same thing as 60 cents. Well, is 8 bigger than 6? Well, yeah, so that's definitely larger. Okay? Again, 0, 0. They're the same. Go to the next one. 3, 5. Is 3 larger than 5 or is 3 less than 5? Well, 3 is less than 5. So then we're going to go here. Or you could look at it as 36 is less than 50. Okay, same thing here. 0, 0, 4, 4. Okay, those are the same. We've got to go to the next space. Okay, that next space is a 7. We don't have anything underneath there. If we don't have anything underneath or next to that, we're going to assume that there's a 0 there. So this is like 40 is less than 47. Okay, again, 0.4 is the same as 40 cents. All right, so this is what your exit ticket should have looked like. I just need to make sure that you guys are paying attention to what is going on here and you're seeing the whole thing, okay? Go ahead and pause the video and put that away.